Hi guys, ako ang inyong Pinoy Realtor. Quick video lang. One thing that I appreciate the most is kapag merong open house, yung cooperation ng client, syempre very very important. Gusto ko lang sabihin yung appreciation ko dahil sa linis ng property, yung loob pretty much going to sell on its own kasi kita mo, although syempre families living here, and tignan mo naman ganong kalinis, grabe, wala kang masabi, super clean house. This is a detached home, 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 bedroom mortgage helper, and then 1 coach house. So 4 bedroom dito sa taas. Kita mo, lahat ng kwarto napaka-decent. Banyo napakalinis. Ito yung master bedroom. Ganda oh. Sino ba naman di may love sa bahay na ganito? Ang bango pa. Ito yung basement suite. Ngayon pagkababa mo rito, 2 bedroom basement suite. One over here, another one over here. Ito mga linis oh. So gusto ko lang magpasalamat for cleaning up kasi laki ng impact sa mga bibili. See? Diretso tayo sa coach house. May coach house pa. Yung garahe. 2 bedroom. 2 parking side by side. Corner unit. Ito yung side parking oh. Tapos meron pang coach house. May sariling laundry. Ang galing pa mag-setup nung tenant kasi masyado siyang malinis. Laundry. Ito yung kwarto. Ito yung kwarto niya. See? A very good size. So, thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat. Pinoy Realtor, JP Villanueva. And I'll see you next time.